Welcome to Learn Yorùbá with Ifeoluwa. To my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So today we'll be teaching how to say no politely in Yorùbá language. Instead of saying no, okay, when that person is trying to do something for you, instead of saying no, instead of saying that, you say ẹ má ṣe yọnu. When that person is older, ẹ má ṣe yọnu. But when that person is not older than you, that person is your mate, you say má ṣe yọnu. That person is your mate. Má ṣe yọnu, má ṣe yọnu. So someone is trying to invite you for a party and you don't want to say no, I'm not coming. You can just say I can't really say for now. Mi ò tí lè sọ. I can't really say if I'll be around or not, or I can't say for now. Mi ò tí lè sọ. So if the person did not see you on that day, the person will not be angry because you told the person I can't say. Not like you told the person rárá mi ò wá. You did not say that. You did not say no, but you just told her I can't say for now. So she will understand. Kashimawo, let's see how it goes. Kashimawo, it's not like you are telling the person no. You are telling the person, let's see how it goes. Like, Kashimawo, mi mo bóyá mo máa wá o. I don't know if I will come or not. You are telling the person you don't know if you will be there or not. So Kashimawo, let's see how it goes. You did not tell the person no. You didn't tell the person no, but you just told the person Kashimawo, let's see how it goes. The person will understand that you did not say yes and you did not say no. Kashimawo, let's see how it goes. So the person will not be angry. But if you say no, the person might be angry, the person might get angry. But when you told the person Kashimawo, she will not be angry because she is something that you don't know if you'll be there or not. So Kashimawo, let's see how it goes. Ọjọ́ mi. Ọjọ́ mi. Next time. Maybe next time. Tó bá dọjọ́ mi. Next time I will come. Next time I will do this. Ọwọ́ mi dí báyìí. I'm busy right now. That means no, I will not be there. But you are not saying it directly. You are not saying it directly to the person that no, I will not be there. Ọwọ́ mi dí báyìí, that means you are busy right now and you cannot be there. So the person will understand. It's not that you told the person rárá, no. You just told the person ọwọ́ mi dí báyìí, that means my hands are tied. I'm busy right now. Ọwọ́ mi dí báyìí. Mo ní ṣíṣe ṣe. I have something to do. Mo ní ṣíṣe ṣe. You are not telling the person no. It's not like you told the person no. So funny you just told the person mo ní ṣíṣe ṣe. I have something to do. That means you will not be there. That means no. It means no. Mo ní ṣíṣe ṣe is still no. I have something to do or I have something doing. Mo ní ṣíṣe ṣe. It also means no. Thank you for joining today's teaching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. I love you and there's nothing you can do about it.